Hindi tayo nakarating dyan kagabi. Dito ang Darwin. Darling para. Darwin ako ng Darwin.
Nananaw ba si Darwin? Doon tayo kumain, no?
Saan? Saan?
Tower Eye Tower. Westfield Eye Tower.
Ang alam ko dyan sa Darling Harbor, nandiyan yung seafood restaurant. Ano? Palobat na rin ako na. Ano, dyan tayo kakain sa Crown? Ha?
Ay, mayroon ba dyan?
Restaurant siguro.
Perched atop the hill, you can see the dome roof of Sydney Observatory and its iconic time ball. The observatory was constructed in the 1850s when the accurate time was needed for the shipping traffic in the harbour. Before radio was invented, the only way to convey the specific time was visually. It was the resident astronomer's job to observe the sun by day and the stars by night to ensure that the ball was dropped at exactly the right time, 1 p.m. every day. The building now serves as a public observatory and a museum, with a great collection of historic and modern telescopes and instruments, artefacts, books and photos. These days there's too much light pollution given off by the city to be a truly useful observatory, but on a clear night you do get great views of the moon. On our left, you can't miss the not one, not five, but $6 billion development of Barangaroo. Barangaroo is named after a powerful Camaragal woman who lived in the area at the time of the colonial settlement and was the wife of Bennelong. Barangaroo is made of two distinct areas. At the northern end, you've got a 6-hectare headland landscaped entirely with Australian natives.
Diyan
Spectacular
tayo kumain
views,
sa
walking and cycling
Westfield
trails and peaceful picnic
Eye Tower.
opportunities. The southern end is the showcase of modern architecture and design, and more than 30
Actually,
bars
pwede
and
na natin lakarin yan namin.
Barangaroo is a great place for wandering around or kicking back with a bike
Papunta
or
dun
a
sa
beer to enjoy the view.
street na sinasabi mo,
This
sa
is
George
also the
Street.
site for Sydney's second casino.
Museum.
Hindi. Kasi isang mahabang kalsada yun eh.
Pwede may mga tram.
Oo. Sa malakarin natin. Kaya? Kain muna tayo para may lakas. Na. Para may lakas si mami, mga away. Kaya na pala museum eh.
Ayun pala. Museum station yan.
Hindi.
Museum yan. Pero museum station.
Diyan pumunta si JM sa ano mami? Sa kainan na sa seafood restaurant.
Ay, meron pa siya kasama.
May kasama ba siya?
Hindi ka na. Barangaroo. Ayan na tayo bababa. Sa Barangaroo. Bangkok Cruisers.
Saan tayo dito? Baka dyan.
Ayun ang Darling Harbor.
Hmm.
Malapit na pala tayo sa Utang ulit natin yung bus. Golden bus.
Mahal, mahal.
Magkano?
Kung gusto mo akong puntahan, talagang pupuntahan. Ay, kung gusto mo akong bilan, puntahan talaga natin yun. May tax yun. Tax refund. Makakamura ka pa rin. May pipilapan ka mamaya, download mo yung TRS. Ikaw ang mag-ano kasi pinangalan mo sa pangalan mo yung resibo, kailangan nakapangalan din sa iyo yung ano, TRS. Tapos yung passport mo. Ang daming kainan dito, kain tayo
We're
dito.
now coming into the
Tapos
vibrant
may
and
train.
lively Darling Harbour, a hub of activity. You can spend days here visiting the aquarium, wildlife park, casino, Madame Tussauds and more. The Maritime Museum offers a fascinating account of Australian seafaring history and even has a replica of the HMV Endeavour, Captain Cook's ship which made landfall in Botany Bay back in 1770. If you're hopping off here, on behalf of us all, thanks for choosing us for your harbour adventure today.
Diyan
And if
tayo.
you're staying with us, we'll be heading back out again shortly.
Mag-train na tayo mamaya. Kaya ba natin? Kaya ba natin lakarin ng doon? Mami?
Tingnan natin, hanggang mamaya tayo dito gabi.
Pero gusto ko sana mag last night sa ano eh. Sa opera. Ha? May aakit tayo doon sa mismong ano para may closer picture tayo. Let's go. Let's go. Yung anak kong antukin at yung asawa kong kangaroo.
Ikaw, wala.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Darling Harbour where this service now does pause. All passengers to depart the vessel here. Next departure from this wharf will be at 2:15. All stops to Manly and return. In Darling Harbour, all passengers to depart the vessel.
Hindi mo magpuhuli tapos pag tatapilo ka.
Not what? Rest, ikaw and Chivas.
Ba't ganun? Laki ng flag.